In bug bounty, most beginners target the main website, but real hackers go deeper. They find hidden subdomains, where most vulnerabilities actually exist. In this video, I'll show you how to do that using Subfinder. Hello friend, welcome back to channel. If you are in bug bounty or penetration testing, this video will help you level up your Recon. Before installing the tool, update first by using command sudo apt update. Install the Subfinder. Simply using command sudo apt install Subfinder. It will install the Subfinder tool. To use this tool, you can check help section by Subfinder. -H means help. We can see -D, which helps to mention the domain name of target. Next -O, which helps to save the subdomains list in text file. Now, we will find the subdomains of target. Subfinder, -D, google.com, -O, subdomain.txt. Now, it will start to gather all subdomains related to target. ls. It will list the files. So, we can see the subdomains.txt file is created. By cat command we can see all listed subdomains of target. It was listed lot of hidden subdomains of target. We can check the total numbers of subdomains collected by using command cat subdomains.txt pipe wc -m. We can see total 812,231 subdomains this tool collected. In this list some subdomains are live, and some subdomains are not live. Next video, I will show you how to filter the live subdomains.